ChatGPT is a term millions of readers might have seen mentioned on the internet. It's a revolutionary technology that some even compare to Google. So what is ChatGPT and how does it work? These are just a few of the many questions you might have. This guide will help you understand the technology and how it works. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss ChatGPT. But before starting the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel too. Now let's get started. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an OpenAI variant of GPT 3.5 language generator software. It's designed to allow people to have conversations. It can answer follow-up questions and challenge incorrect premises. Moreover, it can reject inappropriate queries, admit to its errors, and more. Fortunately, it has many functions that can simplify daily life for many people. What's the deal with ChatGPT? It has certainly made a splash. ChatGPT is a scary good idea. Elon Musk, one of the founders and former CEO of OpenAI, said that we are not far away from dangerously powerful artificial intelligence. OpenAI chief Sam Altman stated on Twitter that ChatGPT had more than 1 million users since its launch. Altman said that each response cost was averaged in the single digits, but it will eventually need to be monetized due to its eye-watering compute costs. What does it do? ChatGPT, like most AIs, is trained from a large amount of data and deep learning from the internet. ChatGPT has a conversational interface that allows it to respond to follow-up questions, reject requests, and recognize when it has made an error or miscalculated. It is also easy to use. Although this functionality might seem quite insignificant when chatbots are used for customer service, ChatGPT is able to respond directly to any query and adapt itself to the conversation just like a human. What sets ChatGPT apart? ChatGPT is able to respond in real time based on user input. This sets it apart from other chatbot technology. In addition, ChatGPT is able to understand and respond quickly to many questions and statements, making it a natural and more fluid conversation. ChatGPT has many potential benefits, but there are also some concerns about its consequences. For example, ChatGPT can lead to job loss, reduced human interaction, and possibly harm social connections and relationships. Is ChatGPT a good thing or a bad thing? ChatGPT, a highly advanced chatbot, has the potential to simplify people's lives and assist them with tedious tasks such as sending emails or searching the internet for answers, enhancing customer engagement. To prevent misinformation spreading, certain technical details must be clarified before ChatGPT can be widely used. AI and ML models require a lot of training and fine-tuning in order to achieve an ideal level of performance. That's all from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.